Hey y'all, recap for Monday, September 14th. We started off by just making sure we had everything turned in and completed from week 4. So go back to that running list of assignments and double check that you've turned everything in or marked it as done in Google Classroom. It's super easy to forget, especially with our design and ecosystem project that was due. Cool. Make sure you've turned in your design and ecosystem project and let me know if you have any questions or run into any troubles with that. Cool. And then for class on Monday, what we did was we spent the entire block doing a Nearpod on life history strategies. So it's right here. And we talked about the difference between R and K species. We talked about different characteristics. We looked at some examples. We read an article. You all looked at some graphs and you created some graphs for yourself. So there were a lot of mini activities within the Nearpod that we did. If you were absent on that day, or if you want to go back and look at the Nearpod for notes or for anything like that, please use this code here and go ahead and join it, and it'll give you what's called a self-paced version. So basically it'll let you go through it at your own pace. So if you're absent, please do this and turn it in so that I know you've done it. And then if you want to just look back at the slides and the activities that we did for this, you can go ahead and use this. Yeah, oh, and we played with some bubbles. So once you get to the screen that says bubbles and you're not quite sure what to do, you can message me on Remind. But basically what we did was we took some bubble solution, or we made some with water and soap, and we made some bubbles, and then we timed them to see how long they would last just by watching. And then we also did the same thing where we tried to help our bubble babies survive by either fanning them or blowing them so that they would last longer. And then we kind of came up with average times for those, and we talked about what that means in terms of parental care for species versus not. So all of that stuff was kind of included in the Nearpod, so let me know if you have any questions on that. Otherwise, I will see you all next time.